Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's the one and only girl Jody. Today I'll be making some Jamaican fried dumpling in my kitchen. So guys, let's get this process started. I'll be using 3 ingredients to make my fried dumpling. I'll be using some salt, some baking powder, and some ice cold water. And I have made 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This helps the dough to rise. My dumpling normally comes out with no middle. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to gently use my hand to toss everything around so that everything is combined. Then I'm going to add my cold ice water. You want to ensure that everything is rubbed in together properly. The softer your dough is, the best result your fried dumpling will be. It's going to take some time before the flour turns into a dough, so I'm just going to continue adding water and kneading until it becomes into a dough. And voila! Look at my dough. It's all soft and I could feel the fluffiness of my dough, so I'm just going to stretch it out. Don't want to overwork my dough, so I'm just going to leave it. Take a look at my dough, guys. Ready for my fried dumpling. I'm going to cover my dough and leave it for roughly 2 hours time so my dough can rise. So guys, see you back in 2 hours time. So guys, we're back from the 2 hours time. Take a look at my dough, ready to make my fried dumpling. So guys, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you could use to make your fried dumpling into different shapes today. I'm just using this piece of dough right here, and then I'm just going to use my hand. I'm using my wrist to push it down so it becomes a flat dough. There you go. And then this other shape that I'll be using today to make my fried dumpling, I'm just kneading the corners of the dough, bringing everything in. And then I'm just going to use my hands to pick up the top. And basically that's it. I have 2 different shapes of dough right here. I have the flat one and I have the one that I'll be using today. So I'm just going to continue the process of making more dough. And voila, my dough is ready to be fried. So guys, let's start the other process. The first process is adding oil to your pot. And I'm using 1 cup of oil. I'm testing the oil by adding a piece of fried dumpling. If the dumpling comes up too quick, the oil is too hot. So my fried dumpling is taking its time to come up. That's how I know that the oil is ready. So let's get this process started. So I'm using my hands to make an indent into my dough. Please make sure your heat is on medium. If your heat is too high, the inside of your fried dumpling will not be fried properly. When it's on medium, it is soaked inside of your fried dumpling properly. I'm going to leave them on this side for 5 minutes time. So guys, see you back in 5 minutes time. Take a look at my fried dumpling. I'm just changing them on the opposite side for 5 minutes time so that the opposite side can be soaked properly. Normally use my fork to give it a test. If I hear a hollow sound from my fried dumpling, that means the inside of the fried dumpling is soaked properly. So guys, the 5 minutes is up and I'm gonna remove them from the oil. Take a look at my fried dumpling. And I'm gonna add them to the paper towel so that the excess oil from the fried dumpling is drained off. Each batch that I'll be making, I will be repeating the exact process that I did before. Also, if you want your fried dumpling to be golden brown and the inside is properly soaked, just flip them on the opposite side during the 5 minutes. Take a look. Oh, my dough is rising. Normally my dumpling comes out with no middle. So I could stuff egg, cheese, whatever I'm eating my fried dumpling with. And this is how I love it. And voila, I'm removing my fried dumpling. I'm all finished now, guys. So take a look at my fried dumpling. I can't wait to bite in. Look how they're golden brown. Exactly the way I want them to be. There you have it, guys. My fried dumpling the Jamaican way. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. Look how golden brown my fried dumpling is. Let me show you guys how the inside look. It's well fried and well soaked. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye.